G'day guys and girls, finishing up the week tonight with our stage 5 package on this 2014 L77 wagon. So this has got the L77 engine in it with all the DRD stuff. We've removed all that, effectively making it an L98. Fitted a VCM OTR, Pacemaker, full system, so 1 7/8 headers, twin 3-inch high flow cats. And then we've done a set of Blackwell CNC cylinder heads, which have got 20 thou taken off them. Match that up with the Crowcams 1288, so 234, 249 on a 114 lobe. And finishing it off with a Road Blaster 3K converter with a lockup in it. So there's our results there. So the store converter works a treat. We're locking it up in the high end RPM range, around sort of like that 200k, so it's a bit of a dip here. That's when it sits ready to roll over, and then we go bang, bring the converter lock up in, and then we just hold that power on a little bit longer. So that's the beauty of using the right converter. You get that flexibility of tuning the lockup speeds when you want it and when you don't want it. So, but yeah, that's our sort of results there. So 360 kilowatts, 548 Newton meters. As you can see there, pretty healthy for a 6 litre. Thing should run pretty good times and should be quite peppy on the road. So we'll switch over now. We'll do some power runs and show you what it sounds like at the back. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, see you on the next one.